Today we are doing the unboxing of our new product brought by Amazon, the Mivi Thunder Beats. So here is the product. So now I will do the unboxing. So here we have the invoice, the bill, and finally we go with the Mivi Thunder Beats. These are the specifications it has. Okay, HDC stereo sound, super solid bars, and 7 hours battery, sweat proof. It's good for people who go to gym, they can wear continuous. And noise cancellation works very quick, I've heard in other reviews also. So now let's start with opening the box. Let's keep this. We need to always carry the bill. We have to keep the copy of the bill so that in future it has 1 year warranty. That see, you can see on the box it has 1 year warranty. If any case if you need to replace the item, you have to carry the bill with you. So now let's start with the video. Now we have something with Mivi. They say, hello Mivian, we hope you enjoy your new Thunder Beats. Okay, so we have the 1 year warranty card over here. So they said to click the photo of your invoice you get in the box, which I showed you earlier, that you have to keep it with you always. So you have to click a photo of that and send on their WhatsApp number so that you can get registered to your warranty. So now let's go to the box directly. First we have the Mivi headphones, wireless. So now let's remove it out. Here it goes, removing. We will look at this later. Now we will do the unboxing of this. I think this is the charger and some earbuds extra. Here we go. This is a normal USB charger. You can connect it to any of your this chargers, normal chargers, to charge your Mivi. And you have some extra rubber. As per your ear size, you can fix it. Like you have a small ear, you have a pain in the ear, a bigger ear. So this is all you can see later on. In short, I can say that all the sizes are available. And we got something quick start. Okay, we have the manual over here, so you can look at the instructions. These are the instructions on it given. Now let's keep this inside. First, move the earphones out. To be safe like India. So these are the earphones, Bluetooth, and this has a magnet. Good quality. I feel it's a very good quality. Let's check the complete build quality of it. And what do we get over here? This is the size adjustment. And now a quick one on this. These are the volume rockers. This is up and down. This may be your pause and play button. Also to pick up the call. and this is your charging dock, so that you can charge this device. Here you go with the charging wires. Let's keep it off. So now let's start by connecting this and playing the first song on our all new Mivi Thunder Beats. Thank you. Start connecting our new Thunder Beats. First you have to press and hold your mic for around 1 second so that blue and the red lights can be seen. So now go to the settings of any of your phone, iPhone or any on your Bluetooth. So you can see we are getting maybe T bits over here. It's under the step connected. So that's getting connected. So it has connected. Maybe the bits are connected. So now go for it. You can hear the sound, hear the music on it directly. If the call comes, how to attend the call, you have to press this button once. And how to shut off, you just have to off the Bluetooth first, then press this button for at least 3 to 4 seconds so that at the end a red light comes and it goes off. So if you like my video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is my first video on any product. So if you like this video, please like, share and comment on your videos, on my videos.